So hello everyone. Today I bought this Thinkware Dashcam. I bought this with a good deal because it's Black Friday at Canadian Tire. So the model is F200. This one is a dual camera. It has a camera on the front, one on the front and one on the back. Okay, so that's not English. Let's this one. So it's a 2-channel dash cam. The front has 1080p full HD with WDR. The rear one is 720p HD. Energy saving. It has parking recording, but we need to do the hard wiring installation. Then the safety camera alert, or the optional GPS antenna, but it is sold separate. It has a built-in Wi-Fi, 140-degree wide angle recording, integrated terminal or thermal protection, and can hold up to the capacity for memory card is up to the maximum of 128 gigabyte. So yeah, okay, let's open this. And grab me some key. Key that one.
Mommy can get this.
Yeah, she can. Yeah, by the way, it has Wi-Fi, iOS and Android app compatible. Yeah. So by the way guys, as what I've said earlier, this camera needs a hard wiring. I'm gonna hardwire this on my truck, so I'm gonna make a separate video on that. And yeah, let's open this now. Okay, so this is the main camera. This is the main camera. Let's take it out. Let's take out everything first. Oh.
I'll take that.
Okay, some manual for the warranty or quick start guide. So we have here so this will hold the camera in place, and you can stick it on the windshield. So this is the rear camera. It is smaller than the front one, and it has the adhesive too, so you can stick it on the rear window. So this is the cable, but I have the battery one attached to the cigarette lighter here. And I think this goes on the rear camera, this one. Another double-sided tape. And some attachments again. Oh, I think this goes to the small camera, the rear one. And oh, I'm surprised. It has a memory card included. How many gig this is? So this is 16 gigabyte. Yeah, I didn't know it comes with a memory card. And ta-da! The absorbent, moisture absorbent. So that's everything that goes with the box. There. Now let's check the front camera. So this is the main camera. Yeah. So this is where the power goes. The DC in, and on the side here. Okay, so this is the bottom part. This is the memory card slot here, and if you will buy the optional GPS antenna, it should go here. And this one, this connection here goes to the rear camera. So yeah, that's it for the front camera. So this is the holder for the front camera, this one. So yeah, it moves. So this one goes here. Yeah, stick this to the glass.
Why don't we take it here?
So this one stick to the glass, and it goes like this. Yeah, Oh, by the way, there's a button here, like a record, and a Wi-Fi button. And there's a LED indicator here, Wi-Fi, and status there. So that's all for the front camera. Let's go to the rear one. This is the rear camera. I don't know if it swivels too. Let's see. So you connect it here, and video out, it goes to the main camera there. It goes here using the cable, this cable here. So yeah, it moves. So whatever the angle of your rear window, just adjust it here. So let's see the power cable here. This is the power cable. I think this has a fuse here, yeah. There's a built-in fuse. It's a 2 amperes. But I still need to, it doesn't come with the wire you need for hard wiring it. Yeah, I need to buy them. I think it says 6 meters here. Or 6 feet. Yeah, so I think that's it. So that's everything inside the box. Thinkware. Yeah.
What's up, guys? If you enjoyed the video, please smash that like button and press that subscribe button. See you on the next video. Yeah.